Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Keeping well?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, we were learning chapter 7, division. And who can give me the definition of division? Yes? Yes, Anna Rose.
Ma'am, sharing equally.
Operations.
You are saying division and multiplication. I'm calling by name. Okay, division and multiplication, they are reverse operation, and someone else told that it is sharing equally, or both are correct. Yes, it is division is sharing equally. That's correct. And they are division and multiplication, they are reverse. And we can also say that division is repeated subtraction. Okay, children, now can you give me the definition of quotient? Who can give me the definition of quotient?
Ma'am, Andrea.
Yes, Andrea.
Answer of the division is called quotient.
Answer in division. Okay, that's correct. Is there any other? Do you remember? Yes, Agna.
The number of times that divide the divisor is called
The
quotient.
divisor divides the dividend. Okay, very good. The number of times the divisor divides the dividend, that is known as quotient. Okay, that's also correct. Now you know what is dividend, the number that is divided. Which number we are going to divide? The big number, that is the dividend. And by which number we are going to divide? That is divisor. And children, we have completed 12 questions from your math workbook, and that we did with divisor, single digit divisor. Now children, the same steps or the same procedure for the divisor with 2-digit also. Now before starting with 2-digit divisor, who can give me the order how we can divide? What are the steps? Yes, Adiga?
Compare,
Yes, first we have to compare. Yes, then
divide,
divide,
multiply,
multiply, subtract,
bring down.
bring down. Yes, children, if you know this, the same procedure we are going to do for dividing with 2-digit divisor. So first we have to compare the dividend, the first digit of the dividend. Then we have to do divide. Then after division, we will do multiply, then subtract, bring down. This procedure we will continue till our remainder. Children, you know, remainder should be less than divisor. Then we know that our division is over. And children, after division, how we can check whether our division is correct or wrong? Who can tell me that? How we know that our division is correct or wrong? Yes. Yes, Ameya. Yes. Dividend should be equal to, yes,
Divisor plus quotient
is it? Yes, someone, many children were raising their hand. Yes, Adiga, help.
Dividend equals divisor into quotient
Into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Okay, Ameya. Quotient times, you have to multiply quotient times divisor plus remainder. Okay, so children, we have discussed all questions with single digit divisor. Next, we are going to do with 2-digit divisor. So children, I will explain one question. All of you mute your device and please don't write anything now. Okay, here only one difference is there. We don't know the table. So children, you know table 1 to 10. Do you know the table of 12? No. So we have to multiply and write the multiplication table of 12. The only that much is the difference here. So please listen, don't write anything now. One question I will explain. The same method we will follow for one single digit divisor, 2-digit divisor also. So here the question is, we divide 414 by 12. So children, tell me which is the dividend here?
414.
Yes, 414 is the dividend. We know this is the dividend. And which is the divisor here? Of course, there is
12.
only one digit, that is 12. Now, children, we will write, you don't know the table of 12. So what we have to do? You have to multiply and write 12 into 1, we know. Because any number multiplied with 1, what's that same?
12.
Same number, 12 itself, 12. Now, 12 times 2, we don't know. What we have to do? Multiply and write. 12 times 3. Maybe some children, they know. 12 times 4. Then we will write 12 times 5. Okay, children? Now, what are the steps? We know: compare, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Before starting these steps, children, find out this table. If you don't know, what you have to do? Take 12 multiplied with 2. All of you, please take out your rough book. Like this, you have to multiply 2 into 2. What is 2 2s are? 4. 2 into 1, 2.
2.
So you know what is 12 times 2? That is 24. Now, like that, you have to multiply and write. 12 times 3. Don't say the answer now. All of you, please take your rough book. Please take your rough book. Rough book.
I get the answer.
Okay, wait. Don't say the answer now. All the children, please show me your rough book. Rough book. So what did I tell you? Write this question: 414 divided by 12. And children, you have to write the table of 12. How to write the table of 12? Multiply and write. So what is the question you have to write? 414 by 12. Then write down the table of 12. Okay, so let me ask. What is 12 times 3?
36.
36. Yes, 36. 12 times 4?
48.
12 times 5?
100.
12 times 5. Multiply and find out. 12 multiplied
60.
with 5. Yes, 5 2s are 10. 1 is carry over. 1 into 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 60 is the answer. When you multiply 12 into 5, the answer is 60. Now, children, if you have completed this table, please keep your pencil, everything down and listen here. Have you all completed writing the tables?
Yes.
Yes. Then keep all the pencil books down and listen here. Please don't write anything now. Okay. Now, children, what we are going to do here, the same steps. I hope all of you are paying attention, and please keep your videos on. All these children, read fast. Keep your pencil down. See, children, while if you are listening properly now, you can understand that single digit divisor, 2-digit divisor, while dividing, there is no difference. You just need to listen properly. One question, if you listen properly, then the other, all question you are going to do alone. Okay, so what you have to do, keep all the pencil, everything down, and please listen here. So what is the first step here? Compare. Okay, I will explain. Please listen. So what we have to compare here, children, here I have 2 digits. So here also I will take how many digits? 2 digits. Okay. So this is 2-digit divisor. So we have to take 2 digits. Otherwise it will be smaller number. If you are taking only single digit. So we will check again the same normal division with single digit divisor. We will again please check the table of 12. Is there any 41 there? Is there any 41? Can you see there? No.
No.
So, but we know it is between 36 and 48. Where is 41? It will be between 36 and 48. What we have to take? Can we take 48 from 41?
No.
So we have to take the
36.
smaller number. Yes.
36.
Smaller number. 36. So 12 multiplied with which
Three.
number is 36? 3. So there we will write here, children, 12 into 3 is 36.
36.
So first step, we compare the two-digit number. Then we have divided. We look into the multiplication table of 12. Then we multiplied. Next step, what we have to do?
Subtract.
Yes, 41. You have to subtract 36 from 41. So subtract. We are going to do that. Now, children, here 1 is smaller than 6. So you have to regroup. Borrow. Then tell me,
11.
what will be 11 minus 6? Find out.
5.
11 minus 6.
5.
5. Yes, correct. 5. You know, that is 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. So now after subtraction, what we have to do? What's the
Bring
next
down.
step? Bring down. Yes. Which is the number here to bring down?
4.
4. Yes. Now please check again. Is there any 54 in the table of 12? No.
No.
But we know that it is between
48 and
8
60.
and 60. So what we have to take?
48.
48. Yes, you are right.
48.
Times which number here? 4.
4.
12 times 4 is 48.
48.
Now again you have to subtract. Here children, again 8. Can you take from 4? No. So what you have to do?
No.
Regroup.
No.
Regroup and find out the answer. Subtract and find. Here 5. 4. It is 14. 14 minus 8.
And 6.
6. Yes. Now children, how we know whether our division is over? What we have to do? Compare the remainder R with the divisor 12. This 6 is less than 12. That means our division is over. Yes.
Yes.
Remainder will be always less than the divisor. Okay. So if the division is over means remainder will be less than 12. Yes, children. Now you know how to check whether our division is correct or wrong. You told me dividend is equal to
Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus
now, dividend
remainder.
should be equal to quotient times divisor plus remainder. Now please check what is the dividend what is the quotient we got here? 30,
34.
34. And what is the divisor here? Divisor is
12.
12. And what is the remainder here? 6.
6.
Now find out whether you are getting the dividend. All of you please try that. The dividend is here 414. You have to try whether you got.
Okay.
Okay. So here 34. That is the quotient. You have to multiply with 12. Okay. Then find out the product and add the remainder 6. And check whether you got our dividend.
quotient 34 divided by
Mute your device, all of you. Mute your device and find out whether the division is correct or wrong.
I'm finished.
Finished? Did you get the dividend 414?
Yes.
Yes, all of you? The quotient is 34. You have to multiply it with 12. With that product, what you have to add? The remainder 6.
6.
So, which is the answer you got? 414.
414.
That means our division is correct. So, children, is there any difference in dividing with 2 digits? No.
No.
First step, you have to multiply and write down the table. And as usual, you have to follow the steps: compare, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Yes? We will do one more question.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
are you ready?
Yes.
So you people became big, no? You are going to divide 4-digit numbers. Now you started dividing with 2-digit divisor, yes? So I will give you another divisor 15. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So take this question and please try to do alone. So
Okay,
this is
ma'am.
question number 2. The number is 2340. 2340 you have to divide with 15. Which is the dividend here? Dividend? 2340. Divisor is 15. So children, please, first you have to write the table of 15 because you don't know the table. And you know the steps: compare, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay, so what is 15 into 1? Any number multiplied with 1? 15, the same number itself. Yes. And what about 15 into 2?
30.
30. 15 times 3?
45.
45. See children, if you have any problem, what do you have to do? Multiply here. 15 times 4, 5 into 4, 20. 2 carry over. 1 into 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Like that, multiply and write it here. Okay. Then did you get what is 15 times 5?
75.
Yes, 75. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 is carry over. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 75. What is 15 times 6? 15 times 6?
90.
90. Okay, so children, now please try to divide. What is the first step? Compare. I told you this is 2-digit number, so you can also compare with 2-digit. Is there any 23 in the table of?
No.
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 Have to do here. Take the number smaller. Yes. So which is a smaller number?
15.
Yes, 15. 15. So 15 times which number?
1.
1. 15
One.
times 1, you will get 15. So multiply, then you have to write it here, 15. Then again subtract. You cannot subtract 5 from 3. So you know what you have to do. Yes? Yes.
13 minus
13 minus 5. Yes. So what is 13 minus 5?
Mommy? 8.
Yes. 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. You know that. 8. Okay. So we compared the first 2 digit of the dividend. Then we divided. We look into the table of 15. Then what we have done, we multiplied. Then we subtract.
And we subtract.
Then what is the next step? Bring down. Yes, bring down 4. Children, one by one only, one number only we can bring down here. So you will check there is 84. Is there any 84 in the table here?
No, it will come between 75 and 90.
Yes. So what we have to take?
75.
25.
So 15 times which number is 75?
15
times
times 5.
5. 15 into 5, that is 75. Multiply and write below. Then again subtract. So you know that 4 is smaller than 5.
15 minus 5.
So we have 14 here. Yes, 14 minus 5. Yes, what is 14 minus 5?
9.
9. Okay, so after subtraction again what we have to do?
Bring down the
Bring
0.
down 0. Bring down 0. Now this new dividend, that is 90. Now look into the table. Is there any 90 in the table of 15?
Yes.
Yes.
15 into 6. 9 into 6.
Yes, 15 times which number?
6.
6
6.
times 6, that is 90. So there is no more number to bring down. So we finished. The remainder is 0. And
Zero.
the quotient
156.
156. Yes. So children, we finished our division. Now what we had to do? Check whether our division is correct or wrong.
Okay.
Yes. All the children has to check whether you have done correctly or not. So check. How to check? You have to multiply quotient times divisor plus remainder.
Plus 0 equals
Also, you'll mute your device and do alone. Quotient, you know, that is 156. Divisor is 15. Multiply. And here there is no remainder to add because the remainder is 0. So multiply 156 times 15. Then check whether you are getting your dividend 2,340. That is your dividend. So 6 times 5.
30.
30. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 is carry over. 5 into 5.
My answer is correct.
Correct. Very good. 5 into 5, 25 plus 3 is 28. 2 is carry over. 1 into 5 plus 2, 7. So you know the second row you had to multiply it with 1. Before that you had to start with 0. Then 1 into 6. 6, 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 1. Then add. So we got our dividend 2,340. Yes, that means our division is correct. Yes, children. So the quotient is 156 and the divisor is 115. Then while you were checking, you got your dividend. So how many got this answer correct? Let me see. Yes. So those who all got correct answer and you have checked yourself, you can clap yourself. You are going to divide with 2-digit divisor. So can I give you one more question?
Yes.
Yes. This question is there in your math workbook, but where you are going to do now, that is in the same book, rough book. So the question is again, divisor 12. So you have already your table of 12 with you that you can use here. Question number 3. 4,752, that is your dividend. 4,752, that is your dividend, and your divisor is 12. And you know the table of 12 till 60. Yes, children, we have done here. Look here, we have written 12 times 5 till 60.
okay. Two.
What is the question? 4,752 divided by 12. First, write down the table of 12 and do the symbols, the steps, compare, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, children, we will discuss the answer. Before that, okay, tell me the table. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2.
24.
Yes, children, we have done that table in question number 1. So you can write the table faster. Yes, 24. 12 times 3.
36.
36.
36.
12 times 4.
48.
48. 12 times 5.
60.
12 times 6,
72.
72. 12 times 7,
84.
84. 12 times 8, 96.
96.
12 times 9,
100.
108.
108. Okay. So,
Ma'am, I can say the answer.
wait. How many have done, children? How many have you complete? Have you all completed this? Yes.
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 Ma'am,
Okay. So first we have to compare. We have to compare here, children. The first two digit 47. So we will check in the table here. We know that is table 47 is between 36 and 48. So what we had to take here?
36.
36.
36.
12 times which number?
3.
3. 12 threes are 36. When you subtract, what you got?
11. 11.
You have to subtract, and when you subtract, you got 11. Okay, then what we have? Can you subtract 11 by 12? 11 is small. Yes? So what you have to do? You have to
Bring down the
bring
5.
down 5. So when you check in the table, you know 12 into 10 is any number multiply. We have done 12, write down 102. So 12 times 10 is 120. And it is between 115 is between 108 and 120.
20.
So what we had to write here?
108.
8. So 12 times which number? 9. 12 into 9 is 108. Okay. Now, subtract 5 is less. So what we have to do here, it is 15 minus 8. What is 15 minus 8?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can say the answer.
Wait.
7.
7. So after that, what we have to do again, bring down. One more number is there. Yes. What is that? 2. 72. Now please check, is there any 72 in table of 12? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 12 times which number?
72.
12 times 6. 12 times 6. 12 times 6. 72. So we finished our division. Yes, children?
Yes.
Yes. So that what is the answer here? Quotient.
396.
So the quotient is 396. And what about the remainder are? What is remainder here? 0. Okay. And you know the divisor is 12. Now children, I will give you one homework. What is homework? You have to check whether your division is correct or wrong. How you can check? Tell me, dividend should be equal to quotient.
Quotient plus remainder.
Only quotient plus remainder you will get. Quotient times which number? Yes.
Yes.
Tell me. Quotient.
Into divisor.
Yes, quotient into divisor plus
Plus.
remainder. So
Remainder.
we were doing all these questions. Yes, children, please check whether we have checked all questions where we have done here. Question number 2. Here, quotient times divisor plus remainder. That's what we were doing in quotient into divisor plus remainder. All the question we were checking like that. Yes. And even with the single digit divisor, we used to check how dividend should be equal to quotient multiplied with divisor plus remainder. That you can do as homework. Okay, children. So you understood that division with single digit divisor, it is similar to division with 2-digit divisor. Is there any doubt here?
No.
First, you had to write down the table of which table of that divisor, even if it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, whichever number. What you have to do? You have to multiply with 1, 2, 3, etc. Write down the table. Then as usual, all the steps: compare, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay. And finally, after division, how you will check? Dividend should be equal to quotient multiplied with divisor plus remainder. Okay. So children, please try to revise the tables also regularly. Then you can do the fast multiplication, everything faster. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.